What's going on, traders? Thanks for tuning in today's YouTube video. We are going to talk about the cryptocurrencies. As we all know, they dropped massively to the downside. A couple days ago, everybody talked to you, everybody shared it on social media that you should buy the dip, and yeah, the majority did. They bought the dip, they put in all their capital that they had. Some of them left the market already because of, they've seen the market crashing 30%, 40% to the downside. And after we bought again this market, after we bought that dip, cryptocurrencies dropped even lower. And right now the majority are in super fear. And me, I'm super happy currently. I'm super happy because I just bought more. I bought more cryptocurrencies. I bought Ethereum, I bought Ripple, I bought Chainlink. So this is not a financial advice right now. I'm just sharing what I did. I'm just sharing here my personal opinion that I have, and we're going to go right now back to the charts. I'm going to clarify right now the question what these cryptocurrencies are going to do this year, because right now a lot of traders, investors are just thinking of, okay, the Bullrun is over and we're going to go straight to zero, stuff like this. I just seen so many things on Twitter and on social media, and I'm just laughing when I see stuff like that, because this is just, from my point of view, nonsense, and I'm going to clarify it in this video. But before I'm going to go into that analysis, sharing with you my view of the market, just a quick check over here on my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe, to turn on the notification bell, and here is my link tree to join my public Telegram channel. You will be notified over here every single time when I'm giving you an update on any kind of forex pair or cryptocurrencies. Here's my inner circle where you can join me trading. I'm trading smart money concepts, so you will also see here in this kind of analysis that I'm doing always smart money concept analysis, and I'm always trying to find the composite man within this market, and we're going to rock the market with the composite man, because this is the only thing which you can do right in this market. I know it's a probability game, and this is what you should know as well, because we cannot say 100% what the markets will do. This is why we're going to do analysis, and we're going to stick to risk management. This is my mentorship program where you're going to learn my strategy. So here you can write me then afterwards a private message on Telegram. Tell me about you and why you're trading, and then I'm going to choose if you can come to my mentorship group. This is my CopyFX, automated copy paste trading system. This is my trusted broker, and brand new guys, this is my Twitter account. Make sure to check it out. It will be for analysis, it will be for announcements, and it will be also a lot for cryptocurrencies, as you can see over here. Okay, then I would say let's get it started. And what we can see over here on the chart is the total market cap. Well, why do we even need that? Well, that's super important for us to understand where the sum of the cryptocurrencies are currently located. Are we still in the uptrend, or can we expect right now the market to shift from a bull market to a bearish market? Well, basically, if we are going to analyze this kind of thing over here, we will understand that we are currently rejecting this level of demand. And this level of demand is perfectly in alignment with the overall structure. Of course, I can spot here another important structure level, which means the market could go eventually lower before going up higher, and this market will be still technically in an uptrend. And that means that the biggest investors are going to definitely attack around that area again. Why? Because those are cheap prices for them in order to rock the cryptocurrencies again. I mean, have a look here. The market already dropped down over 50%, guys. Now that's a big sale, okay? For the big whales over here who have a lot of liquidity, they're going to see this drop and they will say, minus 50%, I'm going to buy it. So just imagine right now you're going to buy a brand new car. The brand new car its value is 100k, and then suddenly it drops and the price is only 50k worth. Are you going to buy it? I guess you're going to buy it if you have the money, of course. If you planned to buy that one and then you see the price is currently dropping till 50,000, you're going to definitely buy it. And the same kind of pattern we can put it here over the cryptocurrencies, and this is why I expect that we are going to completely defend this level of demand. Those are level of demands, prices where the biggest speculators in this market are super interested in buying it. Yeah, from my point of view, it looks like, yeah, we're going to respect this level. You can see how the market already broke here some structural levels. Probably we're going to break this level as well, and we can expect the market to go up higher, something like this. Well, right now, let me come back to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is right now definitely the level, the cryptocurrency that we're going to look right now. Because what we can see here is that the market is technically still in an uptrend, and what the market did over here was nothing which surprised me, because we all wanted to see the market going down lower. The only question right now was, what kind of level are we going to respect? At what kind of price we're going to go afterwards extremely to the upside? And in this case, it was the level of demand that was located over here. Why? The same example like the total market cap. The market is here still in an uptrend. So you can see here, market is giving you those moves up, and exactly over here you got the lowest low possible for the market to go to the downside. And if the market would have passed this level, then Bitcoin would have been in a bearish market. What does that mean, guys? If the market will be technically in a bearish market, this market will crash to the downside, and everybody who've been buying Bitcoin will be in super big losses. Now we need to understand who are the biggest participants, and are they still invested in Bitcoin? Of course, they are still in Bitcoin. They are not going to leave the Bitcoin like the market structure is giving us right now. You need to understand and to read the story behind the charts to understand what the biggest investors are doing. And as long as we're going to be above this level of demand, Bitcoin will go up higher, and it will go, because the market would have given us completely different patterns around that area if they would say, yeah, we're going to go short. Now, I don't know if you know exactly how chart technical analysis works, because here those videos are also watched by other traders, by other investors who have absolutely no clue what they're doing. But what Bitcoin has given us over here was a completely common pattern, which we've already seen on the EURUSD. So let me check it out for you. I'm going to open over here a clean chart, and I'm going to show to you something super interesting about the EURUSD. And it was exactly over here. I'm going to switch to the 4 hours, and you will see that this is the thing what EURUSD has given us in the past, and it was this kind of pattern over here, guys. You can see how the market moved in that kind of uptrend structure, and then suddenly it broke to the downside, giving us here a correction pattern, and then it dropped crazy to the downside. And Bitcoin has given us the same kind of thing, okay, giving us here that illustration that we are still in the uptrend, move down, correction, and then it dropped massively to the downside. So this pattern over here is also known as the rising wedge. I'm not using these kind of concepts anymore because I switched completely to smart money concepts. I'm only using demand levels and supply levels where big hedge funds, big investment players are looking to buy or sell the market, and they are also completely in the same alignment like these patterns. But I'm just showing you right now, just for every retail trader to understand what I'm talking about, because this makes a lot of sense right now. It is the same pattern. The market is giving us that huge drop, because afterwards what occurred on the EURUSD was this movement. Afterwards it went crazy to the upside. So these areas are just profit taking areas. So big investors are just realizing some profits. The market is dropping to the downside, and in this case on Bitcoin, during this movement to the downside, they put money in altcoins. Okay, they just shifted, put their money in altcoins, And also on the altcoins, they needed to bring the price lower in order for them to get the cheapest price possible, in order for them to make the biggest return of investment. So it makes completely sense from my point of view what the market is currently doing. If you really understand what the charts are trying to tell you, you just need to follow them, and you just need to do the same, because otherwise you will not succeed in this business. And this is what Bitcoin is doing currently. So it gave us that move to the downside, tapping into the level of demand. And right now what I do expect, of course, is the bullish continuation. There is absolutely no sense that we're going to go down lower. It will be, the biggest hedge funds and financial institutions and companies and everybody who's invested in Bitcoin would just make big losses for no reason, guys. That would actually be no reason. Now, if we are really I'm just talking about the scenario, if this will really occur that we're going to drop down lower, well, then Bitcoin is just going for a deeper correction based on this whole impulse that we have over here. So let me show it to you. This whole market over here, that's just one move up. So that's not a problem. This is also the theory why I do expect the market to crash crazy if we're going to hit this target zone over here. So afterwards, a huge drop, something like this, will be completely fine, because it will be just a correction based on this whole impulse. So the market never gave us that kind of correction. And this is why currently I just expect the market to complete this impulse till the end of the year. It will look something like this. So 2022. And then I expect the market afterwards to give us that nice correction and then continuation. Okay? Then bullish continuation. So something like this is how I'm looking at the market. And this kind of correction right now also proves to me that we are going to do this, because the market is not ready to go right now till 300,000, guys. Stuff like this, which everybody tries to tell you that we should hold Bitcoin right now because it will go soon till 1 million. And this is why so many investors are FOMO buying Bitcoin at that level. And that's just sad, because their liquidity are just used in order for the big players to make even more profit. And yeah, that's just the story behind Bitcoin, guys. And this is the reality, that we're not going to push that high this year. That's simply not possible, because it makes absolutely no sense from a supply demand perspective. And this is how the market is even built on. This whole market is built on supply demand, and the market needs to generate sales. That means on the other hand, someone wins, and on the other one, somebody is losing money, and therefore it's not possible that we're going to go straight to 300k. It's absolutely necessary that we're going to do majority drops like this in order to make people getting in panic and being in fear. And this is how the other ones will make money, because they know exactly where the market needs to go. Okay, so Bitcoin right now, just a conclusion. From my point of view, we'll respect this level of demand, we'll go up higher, something like this, and at the end of the year, we're going to be in this target zone, and afterwards, this market will crash to the downside. That's it. Let's continue with the next one, which will be XRP. Now, on XRP, I shared with you an analysis on TradingView and also on YouTube that I don't expect the market to break this structure, but we did. We broke that structure, and this is absolutely no problem, guys. That's absolutely no problem, because I just didn't told you that the market in the past already gave us a 65% correction. I'm going to show it to you, proving to you what I'm talking about, because if we are going to go right now to the past over here, let me use the backtesting tool, you will see that the market has given us here that huge drop. Okay, it went up higher, over 1000%, like it did in 2021 again. And after hitting the top, the market crashed to the downside 64%. Okay, and the thing is, the structure was delivered here in a little bit different way. For me, it looked completely the same, and this is why I thought the market will not even break that structure and will go up higher. And the market in 2021 didn't give us that huge drop, okay? But I told you that's not absolutely necessary that the percentages are going to be the exact same, okay? And this is why I thought, okay, probably this year we're not going to see that one correction like it did in the past. But right now the market has taught me, but yeah, that yes, we're going to do it, and we did it. Okay, the market dropped 65% to the downside and then corrected it all the way to the upside, a little bit more, even a little bit more, 67. Yeah, 66%. The market gave us 66% drop, almost the same percentages, guys, and then the market respected it all the way to the upside. So the structure is a little bit different, but that's absolutely needed because we have right now more investors involved in this market, and we would like to see here in this case more liquidity being generated. And here below this area you had liquidity, and here was the biggest liquidity. This is why the market dropped down till that level, and right now we can definitely expect, from my point of view, that XRP will just shoot up till $14, and then I told you that multiple times, if the market will go up till $14 within August, and then also giving us that huge correction again, because this is what the market did in the past, giving us a strong pump till $14, afterwards strong crash again like it did over here, something like 60%. I don't know exactly the numbers right now, but I do expect the market to go up till $14, correction till about $3, and then from there the bullish continuation. And if this correction will be done till August, so I'm showing you here this chart here, this is the thing. If we're going to push up till $14, correcting to the downside till $3, and this will be here around July or August, somewhere here in the summer, then I expect the market to continue to $100 or even more. That will be the confirmation, because then we know exactly that the market is moving like it did in the past right now once again. Then we can expect the market to give us that kind of contraction phase, building liquidity, and then one last push up, and at the end of the year we will be at $100. Okay, I know, super unrealistic. Everybody who's new to the cryptocurrencies will say to you, no, that will not occur. And also people who are long on this cryptocurrency, they will say, yeah, I don't expect the Ripple will go up that high because of SEC, stuff like this. So they're just trying to collect arguments in order to prevent you to buy XRP, but this is how XRP will then at the end will go up higher, because the majority of the biggest investors, they all have money invested in XRP. Why? Because of XRP is the #1 cryptocurrency where you can make the biggest profit, and Dogecoin, yeah, Dogecoin was just crazy. Dogecoin made even more profit, and that was just a simply meme coin who pushed that much to the upside. And this is why, from my point of view, it makes completely sense that XRP is going to do something similar. Of course, not that huge percentages like Dogecoin, because if Ripple will be at $100, it will be still a little bit less than Dogecoin did. Okay, still lower percentages, and therefore, from my point of view, makes completely sense that Ripple will go up at least till those $100. But we will see. Of course, I told you it's not absolutely necessary. Probably we will go only till $14, and then the market will correct for about 3 years, and then we're going to continue to pump till $100. Okay, let's continue with Ethereum. Now on Ethereum, my theory was that we're going to crash 70% like we did in the past. You can see the market started the bull run, went up 5,000%. This is what we did over here again, 5,000%. Afterwards, huge drop, 70%. But right now, the market already tapped into a very interesting level of demand, from which we could see the market going up higher. This is why I bought some Ethereum around that area, because I definitely would like to add here my bags. Super nice, cheap price. We got a discount of about 40%, something like this, or even 50, I'm not sure. Yeah, 60%. Okay, look here, guys. We already dropped 60%. Now, it's not absolutely necessary that we're going to drop even lower. And I told you that Ethereum will drop around that area when when the price was around that area. So you can check it out over here on my TradingView channel. that the market really did that one drop, and yeah, almost nobody thought about that one. But here, buy here, don't buy now. That was my video for Ethereum. Here, Ethereum crash, how much? 70%. So look here at the current price. I explained it to you. Price was at 3,200 when I published that video, that I expect the market to go till that one target. And look here where we are currently located, guys. So we really dropped 60%. And from my point of view, it makes a lot of sense that we're going to go up from here. Of course, possibilities here that we're going to push down lower, but not absolutely necessary. Let's continue with the last cryptocurrency, which is the Chainlink. Here on Chainlink, we're currently, look at this, rejecting the monthly level of demand. This is why I want to see the market from here going up higher. I just bought here at this low price again some more Chainlink. Yeah, price is already in profit, so I'm almost again big nice profit because the market from here went up almost $10. That's crazy. And yeah, so on Chainlink I also expect the bullish continuation from a fundamental perspective. It makes so much sense that Chainlink will completely go up, guys, completely go up. Yeah, what I forgot to mention on the XRP is that I got even more confirmations because it makes also sense from monthly. Look here, the monthly, but I'm going to open a new chart because that doesn't look good here. I'm going to use the Poloniex, for example. Yeah, here you can see that this market is that spike is right now not correct, guys. I'm not going to use Poloniex. Just a little bit weird structure sometimes. Yeah, that's correctly. Look at this. The market has been creating here level of demand. What the market did, push up, correction to test it, went up higher. Right now we got another level of demand. What did the market did? Move up, correcting, and right now bullish continuation. So from my point of view, it makes completely sense that Ripple would just go up higher. It was just respecting, look at this, exactly from the monthly candle close, exactly here was the target for $2, and right now definitely the bullish continuation, guys. Okay, thank you for your attention. Right now we're back at $1 on XRP. Looks super good that we're going to really go up higher, and I would like to see you then in the next video. Hopefully you enjoyed this one, and yeah, trade safe, invest your money safe. I'm not a financial advisor. You need to do your researches by yourself. I'm just trying to share with you here my view of the market, how I'm doing it, and yeah, see you then, guys. Bye bye.